Welcome to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2026, presented by 511 Tactical.
Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV SHOT Show 2026. I am out of my element here in the BUL booth because we're talking about open guns, race guns. This is something I know nothing about, but fortunately, I have one of the most knowledgeable 2011 style pistol guys in the market next to me. This is Ben. You guys have seen him over the years. We've been friends for a long time over here at BUL Armory, and we're talking about a new line of open guns and some accessories, right?
Yes. So here with us, there's the new Fireball for 2026. This is an open division pistol, so it's a full-on blown race gun. With that being said, even if you're not a USPSA shooter, this is probably the most fun you can have with a pistol. This will spoil anything you have in yourself. Sorry, not sorry. This is why I haven't sent you one. So the Fireball is a classic take, but a very, very feature-rich pistol. It's a 5-inch overall. It has our new PYRUS optic mount system, which is very unique. It has a thumb rest that can be mounted in almost infinite positions, adjusted up and down, and also reversed to allow the shooter to choose between two different textures. It also integrates our BAO optic system that you're familiar with, and ships with 4 optics: RMR, DPP, RMSc, and RTS2. We also have the Acro plate. If you're one of those guys who want to run a very tactical optic on an open gun, we got you covered, but it is sold separately. The racking handle is toolless, removable, and ambidextrous, so you can put this on the other side. And world safeties, our link trigger system that we spoke about, the chips standard on all SAS2 platform pistols. A big aluminum mag well. This one is shipping mid Q1. Pricing is going to run you $39.50. It seems like a lot, but compared to the competition and the amount of features and modularity you get with this one, you can have 2 at the price of 1. And like I said, even if you're not a competition shooter, one of the things that's very unique to our open pistols at BUL Armory is that they will run and cycle a regular factory box ammunition. So you don't have to buy, reload, and use major power factor ammunition that you need to score in USPSA. And like I said, nothing shoots like an open gun.
What are we talking in terms of caliber, and for people out there who don't know, magazine compatibility?
So 9mm only, 9 major, of course. This might be available in 38 Super later down the year. If you guys, the shooters, want to have one, let us know. It's easy for us. It ships with 3 magazines of 28 plus 1.
It's Friday, it's the last day of SHOT Show, which means I'm a little hungover, so this is all the Fireball that I can handle right now. Ben, thank you as usual for being on the program. Guys, thanks as usual for watching TFBTV. Stay tuned, we'll bring you more from SHOT Show 2026.